Do you want to know how you can search with photos in Bing? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can search using photos in Bing. It'll be quite simple, guys. Go ahead and open Bing, which is on your phone, and tap on Copilot. You can see on the bottom hand side of your screen there is a camera option. Go ahead and tap on it and you can search by going to the camera and clicking on the chat button over here. So go ahead and click search, or you can click chat and then you can click the search button. After you click the search button, you can see that the Bing AI will give you the results of the search things. Now you can also allow what's in your gallery to be shown. Tap on the photo and then click on gallery and choose the photo which you want to search. After you search the photo, you can see that there are various types of contents provided and you can find your answers this way using photos in Bing AI. I hope this video about how you can search in Bing using photos was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.